Radam. Andrew Holness. One bro God. Just got to Olympic we on the back part. Around this how we start. Relocation. Only can't tell me nothing about Jamaica Labour Party. Prosperity. And remember, when you see me put up a video with Mark Golding constituency, I'm going to put up a video with Andrew Holness constituency. Click the link in the bio. Me, I go do a video. I have the video already. Andrew Holness constituency. But people, JLP, the Prime Minister and the government and its full administration, hats off to you guys. Hats off to you guys, all right? Big up all of the TikTokers them. We are campaigning for this. If you don't want the footage them, just shoot me a WhatsApp, shoot me a DM, any image you want, anything you want. Me not have no logo on it. I will send it over to you. This is really big. So remember, look out for the video. Olympic wear.